How to make addition 3-digit numbers in Microsoft Word document like this. So insert equation and fraction, select this SCAD fraction. Here enter your required number. Make enter. Now make cursor between and after this line make a space and plus icon, and here make enter or make 3 dot, space, like this, and click anyway. So thanks for watching.